Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by taking out laces and insoles so you can access the mesh fully. Rinse the shoes under cold, running water to flush away grit. This prevents rubbing dirt deeper later. Next, combine mild liquid detergent with 1 part water to make a gentle pre-soak. Let the shoes sit for 10-15 minutes to loosen surface yellowing. Once done, gently agitate mesh with your fingers to lift discoloration before moving to targeted cleaning. Now you'll work the stains directly. Dip a soft nylon brush into the detergent solution and use small circular motions on yellow areas so you don't fray the mesh. For persistent yellowing, make a paste of baking soda and water, apply sparingly, and let it sit for 10 minutes. This lifts oxidation without harsh bleach. Make sure to rinse frequently during this stage to check progress and prevent residue from settling back into the fibers. Finish by gently squeezing out excess water without twisting, then stuff the shoes with crumpled paper to maintain shape and air dry in shade. Heat fades adhesives and can yellow mesh further. Make sure the insoles and laces dry separately. If yellowing remains after drying, repeat the baking soda treatment or switch to a non-chlorine oxygen cleaner following product directions. If stubborn marks persist, consider a professional cleaner. Meanwhile,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.